Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and enabling the interface so the system can see Wi-Fi. Use sudo lshwc network or IP link to identify your wireless device, then bring it up with sudo IP link set WLAN 0 up, substituting the correct name. If the device is missing, install the vendor firmware or drivers with apt update and apt install firmware xxxx. You do this now so the kernel can manage the card. Once done, the interface appears and you can scan for networks. Once the interface is up, scan for access points so you know the SSID and channel. Sudo eodev WLAN 0 scan lists results. Next, generate a secure config, WPA passphrase, SSID, password / etc. / WPA supplicant. Conf to produce the PSK block. This ensures the correct encryption settings. Then start WPA supplicant in the background with sudo WPA supplicant biwlan 0c / etc. / WPA supplicant. Conf so the supplicant manages authentication. After that, request an IP address. Finally, obtain an IP and verify connectivity. Run sudo dhclient WLAN 0 or use nmcli to connect via Network Manager. Check IP or show WLAN 0 and then ping 8 to confirm routing. If you have no link, use rfkill list to ensure wireless isn't soft or hard blocked and inspect dmesk for driver or firmware errors. Reinstall the correct firmware if needed. Make sure to restart WPA supplicant or Network Manager after fixes. This sequence resolves most common connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.